Let it snow.
Nah, sis, you know it don't be snowing. It be hot. Stop playing. Today we're gonna turn the onion to black onion powder. Mr. Ramsey talking about it's freaking raw. Well, duh, that's the point, but not for long. Just got a couple layers to pull back. So I'm just gonna cut it in semi-size. You can actually cut a little bit smaller, and you just want to do that to the whole onion, or if you have multiple onions, go ahead and do that to them as well. So I got my pan that I'm gonna bake my onions on, and I just washed it off real quick with water. Now you see I have parchment paper, and it's so easy to put it on because the water is actually letting it adhere to it. So you just want to put all your onions on there. It doesn't matter if it's front, back, side to side. Just put it on there and spread it out. You feel me? Put it in the oven on 350 for about an hour to an hour and a half, or so I thought. Praying to God that this is not gonna be taste burnt. Oh my goodness. I kept it in longer than I was supposed to. Thank God that that's why you can't listen to everybody. I was looking at this one video. I'm not gonna name. I was gonna name you, but since you don't F me up. You feel me? So someone just told me to like Google it, and let me see how long, because I'm gonna keep it an additional 30 minutes, and I seen like 45 minutes to an hour, so I did it an hour, and this is how it looked. Never again. I'm gonna just put it like this. They told me longer than an hour. Oh my goodness. Well, when I tell you it smells so good in here when it was before it got like this, it smelled a little bit like onions, but a little bit burnt. But still onions. I'm gonna still see if I can make it do what it do. And just throw this in here and blitz it. There we go. This better not taste like charcoal onions. Alright, I'll blitz it and I'll get back to you, Lord's will. Okay, I put it in my food processor. If you have a grinder, it's gonna be better, but I don't have that. I only have a food processor. It's giving a little bit of onions with coffee. Ew. I'm thinking like, should I start over? Well, I can't because I ain't got no more onions. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of my salt and put that in here. That's why you can't watch everybody's stuff. That's why I like to do my own thing, but if you watch my channel, I like to, revamp it and do a little this and a little that. Just shake that up a little bit. I don't have like the spice containers, so I'm just gonna put this in a clean Ziploc bag. Who gonna tell me more? I know I can just don't put this on here, but I just want to let you all know that sometimes we mess up too. Even though everybody want to act like they well, majority, not everybody, but majority of people want to act like they recipes are supreme. But mine is, I ain't want to scream. Because it's not how it came out. However, you just do yours like this, well, almost. Just don't keep it in as long as I did. Like I said, I kept mine in for an hour. Try it at 40 minutes and then see. Okay, I have a little bit left in here. I'm going to taste it. See if I taste some burntness. That's crazy. Might be a little, but not much, really. Yeah, not really much. So, okay.